So let's have a workshop. Maybe you'll find the solution.
איך אני עושה משהו למען הבורא?
How do I do something for the Creator because I respect Him and not because He is giving this $1 million to me?
פיצוי בכל הכלים לקבלה שלי.
$1 million or whatever it is, a compensation in all of my vessels of reception. Okay, workshop.
מוצא תשובה, אני מוכן לשמוע.
If you find an answer, I'm ready to hear. So on the one hand, I have $1 million, and it's always in front of me, attracting me. I can't disconnect from it. Even if I want to, I can't. On the other hand, I have an opportunity to do this work not for the $1 million or $1 billion, but for the Creator, for the greatness of the Creator. How can I put this into the right order? I have a group. How do I use the group to determine that I shift from the $1 billion to bringing contentment to the Creator? Can I do this in practice in front of me, or this is actually the solution? How do I do that? Question, please.
Hear the question again?
You didn't hear the question? I'll tell you then. On the one hand, I have work that I can do for the benefit of the Creator, who is great for me. I'll make Him great in my eyes, and I'll bring Him contentment. On the other hand, I can do the same, can do this work because by that I receive $1 million, so or $1 billion. So both come from the Creator, $1 billion or His greatness. How do I detach myself, tear myself apart from the $1 billion, and shift myself to bringing contentment to the Creator for free, only to bring Him contentment? Why is it for free? Because I don't reveal Him, I don't discover Him. It's all in one direction in order to bestow. How can the group help me? I'm already giving you the solution. Just tell me, how do I put these things together? How does the group help me? Not work for the $1 billion, but for bringing contentment to the Creator, making a pure action of giving.
Rav, if I come to a connection with the group to such an extent that they can give me the strength to work only in order to bestow to them and through them to the Creator, then it's a sign that the group is filling that kli of $1 billion. That's how I can measure, in a sense, the spiritual force of the group compared to the corporeal force of dollars. We have an ability inside a person to create these scales. How much this goes up, how much this goes up in importance versus how much this goes up in importance. We begin to acquire some connection between the spiritual world and corporeal world, spiritual values, corporeal values. Do we have such a thing in the group? Can I say that I can do it? How do we build this device in order to weigh spirituality in dollars? We will later need to do it and seriously in fulfillment. But in the same way, how do we build this device? Let's build these scales that work in this way. This is spiritual pleasure. This is corporeal pleasure. And how can the group create this line I can compare the two, connect the two? And so in the group, I connect the two worlds, this world and the spiritual world, the next world. How do we build these scales or these weights in the group? How those weights, those scales, were turning into a device for climbing the ladder, an instrument for climbing the ladder. How are we turning the instrument of the scales that weighs what's more, what's less, to an instrument that can take us up the steps? Rav, what is in the middle of these scales? Not in this direction and in that direction, but constantly stays fixed. What is that point? That the scales can tip towards money or the greatness of the Creator, money or the greatness of the Creator, and that's how we climb. But what's happening in the middle? What's happening to us with that fixed point in the middle? That's a question. How are we building these scales that have the point of balance between them? What characterizes that point? Is that clear? Let's go.